what your final will be about. Today it will just be 5 short answer questions, and we're not going to go over every slide if you did look at the notes, but and then your final will just have you explain to me a paycheck. So income is what you bring home. So income can be many, many different things. So I'm in the guard. I have an income for that. I have an income from here. If you have a paper route, that's an income, okay? Your job is an income. So your incomes can be a bunch of different things. Your wages, however, are kind of like what you make from that job, okay? What's minimum wage right now? I don't even know. $7.25? Holy crap. Okay, so, but then other places will pay you more than that. So obviously you might have to take a $7.25 an hour job, but I would shoot for maybe $9. Okay, I think even the zoo pays like $9 an hour. Okay, so FICA is a federal income tax, and it just kind of combined of a bunch of things. Does everybody pay that? Yeah, everybody in the world pays FICA. Okay, if you get an actual pay stub, you pay FICA, and that's part of the reason why people get in trouble for getting paid under the table. It's because you don't pay taxes. Okay, so on every single paycheck, you're going to see FICA, Social Security, Medicare, what have you. Okay, Social Security is the same thing. Essentially, they take it out of your paycheck, so then when you're old enough, you can apply for Social Security. And it kind of like, you pay it now, so then you can use it later, and then when your kids, they'll pay it, and then they can use it, and so it's kind of like borrowing money. Okay, so gross pay. These are the ones I want to hit hard. So gross pay is the amount you bring home. So, Bree, gross pay is not what my paycheck says, but it's like if I took and I went to the ATM, that's how much money I got home from my job. Okay? Because there is a difference. Like you'll see on your paycheck, and we're going to talk about it, your net pay is what your work actually paid you. So if you work at Walmart, I don't remember how much they said. Maybe they made at Walmart. What do you think? Like $10 an hour? Okay, so if we work $10 an hour, how many hours do adults work a week? 40 hours a week. So you say 10 times 40, that's $400 a week, right?
472.
$400 a week.
Yes.
Okay, so that's my net pay. Is that how much I bring home? No, that's before taxes and everything. My gross pay, they say, is about 70% of that. Okay, so that's going to be, my gross pay maybe would be $300 a week. This is for your gross pay. Okay, so Bree, what happened from the net pay to the gross pay? We lost money. Where did we lose money from? Who takes it? Where's your guys' money go? Taxes. Okay, we talked about FICA, Social Security tax. Okay, so what is the difference between net and gross pay? One is before taxes, one is after taxes. So which one's before taxes? Gross or net?
Gross.
Before taxes.
Net.
Net pay. Gross pay is after taxes. Okay. Okay, and now, today we're gonna just briefly look at a pay stub. So this is somebody's pay stub, okay? A pay period is like, they take all my hours from Sunday to Sunday, okay? So you can see, this is the week I worked, January 1st to January 14th, okay? Listening. Switch rooms. Oh, yeah, I am. I'm just teaching right now. Yeah, I will. Oh, no, I just got the couple seniors in here. So, thanks. I'll answer for that. Okay, so my pay period, you can see that they took all of their hours from January 1st to January 14th over that 2 weeks. Okay, their pay date is the date that their actual pay gets. So if we look at the calendar, I can tell you right now, I get paid every 2 weeks. My pay date is on the 27th. My pay period is gonna be these 2 weeks. What's up, honey? It's down there. It's a purple folder. Okay, so my pay date is gonna be the 27th. My pay period is this 2 weeks. Okay? Okay, what is the difference? This period, what's YTD stand for? Year to date. So, year to date means how much taxes I've paid for the whole year and how much money I've made for the whole year. It starts at January and ends at January. That's why people file their taxes and they get money. Okay? This period is how much they made this period. Okay? So, we can see this period. Which one was their bring home? How much money did they bring home? 240 or 191? 191. Okay? 191, and this one is kind of backwards. I don't know why, because which one should be less, gross or net? Gross should be less. I don't know why. Okay? So you would think that they would bring home 191, but on this one it says 240, so it really doesn't make any sense. But, and then year to date, this is how much they've paid in taxes, and it looks like maybe this is their first paycheck for the year. Okay? So